first step is to remove the cover off of your Gen mod. You'll need an 18615 battery. Now you're going to want to insert your battery that you'll want to line up with the plus and minus sides, which is positive and negative. So the positive goes up top on the left and the negative goes on the bottom. You'll take the negative side on the right and it'll go to the top, and the positive side will go to the bottom. Once in, just move the little flap and place the case over the batteries, and the magnets will clasp and hold it on. To power on your device, you hit the power button 5 times. To raise your wattage, you hit the plus button, and you can go all the way up to 220 watts. To go back down, you hit the minus button. Screwing in your tank, the mod will automatically scan and load a new coil to tell you exactly what kind of coil you have. You'll hit the middle menu button to access the different modes. Pulse mode will be your default option when screwing in a new tank that is not temperature controlled. Depending on the wattage you set, say 80 watts, it will pulsate up to your chosen wattage every 0.02 seconds throughout your inhale, instead of just at the initial fire, giving you more power throughout your inhale and more flavor and extra clouds. The second option is Power Eco. This allows you to go into power saving mode when the battery is below 40%, and it lowers some of the settings to get the most power out of your battery. The device will also prompt you to go into this mode once the battery is below 40%. You can either decline or accept. Smart Temperature Control mode will automatically recognize a temperature controlled coil when plugging in a new tank and coil. All you need to do is screw in the tank with the temperature controlled coil. It will prompt you to load, it will scan, say yes to smart temperature control, and you are now in temperature control mode. The mod automatically recognizes the temperature control coil material and resistance, so you can immediately use your device without any extra settings. DIY mode has the more advanced features such as wattage mode. Wattage mode is the normal setting where you just set the wattage for your coil up and down. Next, you have variable temperature. This is temperature control where you can do stainless steel, nickel, titanium, and M1. You can also set the resistance in the stainless steel or any of the other settings. You can set the TCR, the power, and the different type of material. Once you hit the power button, you are in that mode. Next, you have variable voltage, which allows you to adjust the voltage manually. Next, you have custom curve wattage mode. This allows you to set custom curves that will raise the wattage up and down, sort of like pulse mode, but making your own curve adjustments on the fly. The result is more of a ramping of wattage than a pulsing of wattage. Bypass mode bypasses the voltage regulation, giving you the full voltage of your 2 batteries, a full 8.4 volts. You still have all safety protections when in bypass mode. Super player mode allows you to fire coils from a 0.03 resistance all the way up to a 5 ohm resistance. System settings allow you to change your puff counter, adjust your brightness, flip your screen, set all settings back to default, check the version number of your firmware, and exit. And powering off your device is easy as clicking the power button 5 times. Now that you know how the Gen mod works, one of the most powerful mods on the market today, we hope that your vaping experience is excellent, with some of the most advanced features in a mod that isn't limited to just the power users. Like the slogan says, power isn't just for the pros.